Well, here we go. This is another wee job I've been given to do. This is a wood chipper. It's it's got a he wants me to do the radiator and filters and oil filters and general service. There was a bearing to be replaced. It's got a Kohler diesel engine in it. It needs glow plugs. I've done a compression test on it. One of the glow plugs is broken. Tip's broken off it, and it's in the cylinder. But it still reads 350 psi compression. The other three are 400, around about 400. So he said it didn't start very well. So I checked the glow plugs. Two of them are okay. One of them wasn't. Turbo diesel. So my job today was there was a big bearing there, pillow block bearing in there, and I had to take that off. I had to heat it with my gun. It's a big pillow block, the same as that on that side, and the bearing was kaput. It had no cage in it. The balls were just running around loose. I had to move this out the way. This is it's got the big drum on it that draws the trees into the chipper. It's got big blades here, and they contact in there. Well, they don't contact, they've got gaps, but he's just taken them away to get sharpened up. He's taken the bearing away to have a look. No, that's not a crack in there, it just looks like it. He's going to put brakes on it, so I'll give him a name of a place. It was originally a braked trailer. Somebody's taken the brakes off and taken the discs off it, so he's going to put them back on. I've given them the name of a place to do that, so he's going to put discs back onto it. So I've just been going around greasing. Yeah, so yeah, I've just done that this morning. Pulled the bearing off. You got hydraulics there. So it's got big belts. The idea is you lower the engine onto the belts. You might see the pulley down there. The other pulley down there, it's got three big belts on it. And yeah, the belts just run on them and go down to the pulley down there, and then that there, you wind that up and down so the engine will tension up the belts. Use the engine weight to tension up the belts. He did start it, managed to get it started, because we were looking for the bearing. He said it needed a bearing, so, and he did start it, get it started. It started with a bit of a great clouds of smoke and that, so, but there we go. That's just a wee bit of a project at the moment. So I've seen videos of them working, and jeepers, I was surprised at the size of size trunks they put into them. Must have been at least 6 inches in diameter, but no, there we go. So replace the bearing. I think all I've got to do now is just replace the bearing. He's away getting filters. He's got some filters on order, air cleaner filter, I think, and yeah, just give it a tidy up and a general service, I think. So, but yeah, you know what, that's what I've been doing. So, all right, everybody, yeah, just a quick update on this project here, and once I get it all up and running, I might see about yeah, take a wee video of it running. So that there's got a big cover on it. I've got them outside in the storage, and it's got a big blower, like a snow blower basically, the big swan neck thing that the chips come out of. So I've got all that taken off at the moment. So very, very heavy. Very heavy to take off. So, but yeah, so he's taken away the radiator to get fixed. It's in the shop at the moment, I think he's had. So yeah, 60 horsepower Kohler diesel. Quite a big sort of a motor, I thought. But yeah, I was surprised at the size tree trunks they were putting into the things from the videos. Yeah, so that's just a wee update. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And yeah, I'll bring you back when I've got it all up and running again. Alright, see you later.